Hey everyone, here's a recap of the Midjourney office hours from January 22nd. The big things they're working on: the version 7 model with the new character reference system, some video releases, a 3D release, and a big batch update. In theory, they could all be shipped within the next 30 days. David said he thinks obviously one or two of them might get delayed, but that is not their plan. For the video models, they're looking at 2 partners and their own model. He said they're more likely to start off with 1 or more partners and then add some Midjourney magic on top of that. Partnering will allow them to gauge the interest from the community. And he said that they could release some models with partners that people haven't gotten to try yet, which is definitely exciting. David said that he thinks they have a 3D feature working and that it's looking more and more unique. It will be simple at first though. Something like you can just move the camera and then tell the system to re-render the scene from that new point of view. Okay, some good news about version 7. They might not need to retrain it. He said they think they can fix the data issue, so they restarted the training and are working on tuning as we speak. In theory, David said we are in the 2 to 3 week final tuning phase, but I'm saying don't hold your breath. It's hard to guarantee anything. Although if everything goes right, we can hope for a mid-February release. David said there are still some bugs to work through and they need to make sure the features are implemented properly. But he did say that when it works well, it has significantly better image quality than version 6 and it's smarter too. He mentioned that they're still going to try to do the Omni reference, which is basically a reference system that can do more than just characters. He talked a little bit about the big batch mode. It's gonna kinda let you tune the model on the fly, but he questioned himself, wondering if this was gonna be too much for most people. I was under the impression it would take over the entire system, but maybe it's just a feature that you can opt into for pro users. I wonder how it's gonna work. After version 7, David said they think they're going to focus on 2 different types of models, a super fast one and a slow one, and he wants to see what people gravitate toward. And he thinks there could be a real-time version 7 model that is comparable to the version 5 quality, so you could just quickly type in a prompt, check something out, and then maybe move to the slower model. Lastly, they're also working on some moderation improvements. In fact, it may have launched already. This update was aimed at allowing shirtless men, so if you run into problems, make sure you let them know in the feedback so they can keep tuning the system. If you like the art in this video, here is the prompt: 90s anime, your subject, in the style of Cowboy Bebop, Moebius graphic novel art. I use stylized 60, 100, and 150, as well as some style raw and some niji journey. Special thanks to Musso. I found the basis of this prompt over on the Midjourney Explore page. There's your recap of the Midjourney office hours. I hope you like some of the optimistic news from this week. I hope you're doing well. Take care, and I'll see you next time.